Dear students, in this video we'll discuss about class 6 Collins English Grammar and Composition chapter number 16 the past tense. Okay, so here identify the verbs in these sentences. I played a video game in the afternoon. Okay, so here the time expression is given in the afternoon and the verb is written in simple past. V2. Okay, V2 second form of the verb. I played a video game in the afternoon. That means it refers to the past action. The next year we went to Manali last year. Here the time expression is given winter. Okay, last winter. And the verb is written in simple past. That means V2. The second form of the verb go, went. The next year they had done this before too. Here the verb is written, past perfect. Okay, the structure of the past perfect. Okay, had plus v3 third form of the verb. Clear? They had done this before too. Then next year they had been waiting at the airport for a long time. So here the verb is written in past perfect continuous. Okay, they had been waiting. The structure had plus been plus v1 ing. Clear? At the airport for a long time. That means all the actions refer to the past. The action happened in the past and there is no relation to the present. Clear? Then next here, fill in the blanks using the past tense of the given verbs. So here I dash to the United States of America last year. Here the time expression is past. Okay, and you have to use your second form of the verb form of go, went, v2. Okay, I went to the United States of America last year. The next year the balloon dash as she touched it. The past of burst, same. Okay, burst. Clear? The balloon burst as she touched it. The next year he dash me some soup when I was sick. That means when I was sick. Okay, it referred to the past action. He brought me. Okay, the past form of bring, brought. Clear? Then next year my mother dashed with the auto driver who was asking for more money. My mother argued. Okay, here simple past. Then next year we dash around town yesterday. Here the time expression is past. Okay, so you have to use the second form of drive, drove. Okay, v2. Clear? Then next year she dashed the painting we gave her in the living room. The past of hung. Okay. Then next year I asked for a snack and she dashed a piece of cake for me and she got. V1, v2, v3 here same. Got. Okay. Got. Clear? Then next year the pickpocket dashed towards the unknowing passerby. The past of crept. Okay, crept. Then next year Sunita dashed 5 laps in the pool today. The second form of swim. Swam. Okay, v2. Then next year the sweater dashed after it was washed. Okay, shrank. The past form of shrink. Shrank. Clear? Then next year rewrite the sentences in the tense given in the brackets. Okay, you have to follow the instruction of the question. The first you have to change into simple past. The scientists were conducting an experiment. The sentence is written in past progressive. Okay, you have to change into simple past. The structure of simple past is subject plus v2. V2 means second form of the verb. Clear? So here the answer. The scientist conducted an experiment. So here this is the second form of the verb. Clear? We are conducting, we will change into conducted. Okay. Then next here, she tried to fix the toy for her son. You have to change into past continuous. The sentence is written in simple past. Okay. The structure of past continuous, subject, plus was or were, plus v1 ing. Okay, so according to this structure the answer will be she was fixing the toy for her son. So here was or were fixing. You have to use was or were according to the subject. The subject is singular, then the verb must be singular. If the subject is plural, then you have to use were. Okay. Then next here, the teachers worked hard to make a timetable suitable for everyone. You have to change into past perfect. Okay. The sentence written in simple past. Okay. The structure of past perfect: subject plus hard plus V3. So here the answer will be, the teachers hard worked hard to make this timetable suitable for everyone. Okay. Here hard work, hard plus V3. Clear? Then next question here, she had burned herself while lighting the candles. You have to change the sentence into simple past. The sentence is written past perfect. Okay. So here the answer, she burnt. Okay. She burnt herself while lighting. Subject plus V2. This is the positive structure of simple past. The next year, Yani was working all night to finish her project. So here you have to change the sentence into past perfect continuous. The sentence is written in past progressive. Okay. So the structure of past perfect continuous is subject plus had plus been plus V1 ing. Okay. So here the answer will be, Yani had been working all night to finish her project. Okay. Had plus been plus V1 work plus ing. Had been working. Clear? Then next question here. Many students were feeling anxious before their exams. So the sentence is written in past continuous. You have to change into past perfect. Okay. This is past continuous. Many students had felt anxious. Here had plus V3. Feel. Okay. Felt. This is the third form of verb. Okay. Felt. Clear? Then next question here, Kevin called his father while boarding the plane. You have to change into past continuous. The sentence written in simple past. Kevin was calling. So this is the structure of past continuous. Was or were plus V1 ing. Okay. So was or were will it will you have to use was or were according to the subject. Here the subject is singular. Here, so was is used here. Clear? Then next here, I was eating dinner quite late last night. You have to change into past perfect continuous. The sentence is written in past okay continuous. You have to change into past perfect continuous. Okay. So here had been eating. Okay. Had plus been plus V1 ing. This is the structure of past perfect continuous. I had been eating dinner quite late last night. Then next here, we were trying to listen to the announcement on the noisy platform. Okay. You have to change into simple past. The sentence is written in past continuous. So here we are trying will change into tried. Okay. So here we tried to listen to the announcements in the noisy platform. The next question here, I caught my finger while chopping vegetables for dinner. So here you have to change into past perfect. The sentence is written in simple past. Okay. So here I had caught. Had plus V3. Okay. I had caught my finger while chopping vegetables for dinner. Clear? The next question here, fill in the blanks with the simple past or past continuous tense of the verbs given in the brackets. So here at 9:30 last night, my sister dash on her laptop. So here here the point of time. Okay, in the past. At 9:30 last night, my sister was working. Okay, on her laptop. So that means in the past the action was going on. Okay, was on progressive. The next question here, I dash to lock the door. Okay, front door last night. Here time expression past. Okay, I forgot. You have to use a simple past. Clear? Then next here the woman dash when the robbers. Okay, you know here one action is continuing. Which action? You know the woman was sleeping and at that time the robbers entered. The robbers broke. Okay, you have to use here simple past, broke into her house. That means one action was continuing and at that time another action started and also ended in the past. Clear? Then next year they dashed the house all day yesterday. Okay, that means the action was continuing in the past for some time. They were painting. You have to use your past progressive. Clear? The next year she dash into the car when a cyclist, you know, she was getting into the car. So this action was progressing in the past. Okay, and another action started and also ended. Okay, during the past action. So you have to here you have to use simple past. Knocked. She was getting into the car when a cyclist knocked her down. Clear? The next year fill in the blanks with the simple past or past perfect tense of the verbs given in the brackets. So here I dash a professional singer before I became a teacher. So you know here be verb is given. You know be verb means is, am, or was here. So you know here you have to use here past perfect. Okay. So here had been. Okay, I had been a professional singer before I became a teacher. So you know be verb means here. Okay, had plus v3. You know the third form of be, been. Okay, I had been a professional singer before I became a teacher. Clear? You know here this is an earlier action and this is later. I became a teacher. So that means first, okay, I was a professional singer and after that I became a teacher. I had been a professional singer before I became a teacher. So you know this is an earlier action and this is a later action. Clear? Then next year we dash on the phone last night. So here you have to use past perfect. That means the difference, you know, simple past and past perfect. Past perfect, you know, this is longer action and simple past, you know, this is shorter action. That means we had spoken on the phone last night. You have to use your past perfect. Clear? Then next year they dash okay, that they would finish the work before 4 p.m. before 4 p.m. They thought. Okay, past tense of think, thought. Okay, the next year I dashed to the library and did my history project. I went, the past of go. Okay, went. The next year Priya had met her relatives when she traveled. Okay, you have to use your past perfect. She had traveled over Europe. Clear? Then next year many children dash sick in December. Okay, here you have to use your simple past, v2. Okay, fall, fell, fallen. So here you have to use the second form. Okay, fell. Then next here Manish dashed through the park. Manish jogged. Okay, simple past of jog. The next year Vinita dashed through the construction site but stopped when she saw the big hole. Vinita hard worked, past perfect. The next year I dash sleepy in mathematics class. You know be verb is given. You have to use simple past. Okay, watch, I watch. This is simple past. Clear? The next year I dash in New York for 5 years before I moved to India. Before I moved to India. So you know this is an earlier action. So you have to use your past perfect. That means first you lived in New York, then you moved to India. Okay, so here this is, you know, earlier action and this is, you know, later action. Clear? Then next here let us write. Okay, so you have to complete the passage using the past tense of the verbs in the bracket. So here the answer. Okay, the last Saturday I joined. Okay, simple past, my classmates on a trip to Barpani. Okay, we left. Okay, simple past, early in the morning. After our arrival we quickly unpacked, simple past of unpack, and pitched our tents. Later we trekked. Okay, trekked into forest to gather wood. We piled, simple past here, logs on top of one another and built a fire. Virat and Simran spent, okay, past of spent the afternoon fishing. They here, okay, be verb is given, they were, okay, they were lucky, they caught 4 large fish. Mr. Biswas, our teacher in charge, cooked the fish over the fire. So here simple past. What a feast we had. Clear? So I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.